All right, now let's take a look at the last new piece of content that's really exciting, and you could use this separately on your blog. You could use this to make a cookbook. You could integrate this into the challenge as an early bird bonus or as something to increase the value and price of the challenge. First, you're going to get these 3D mock-ups of the book. So these are going to be beautiful 3D images that you can use on your sales page, on social media, wherever you need to promote this cookbook if you use it as a recipe guide. So you have two options to choose from. That way you can change it up as you need to. Then we're going to get into the Canva template. Just like your other covers, this is also rebrandable to whatever image, shapes, font, and colors that you prefer to use for your brand. You're going to get a little introduction, chapters here, and then these beautiful Canva images and delicious Primal recipes. You're going to get 2 images per recipe. This is already formatted into a 600 by 800 size that currently is safe to download these images inside Canva without adding any elements. And I've included instructions for you on how to safely use these images outside of Canva per their terms. Smoothie bowls. These are delicious for breakfast or snacks for your clients. And breakfast like scrambled eggs with spinach and feta, some delicious grain-free muffins, egg cups, and we scroll down to sauces and dressings. Go with their meals or as dips, salads. There's also a bunch of delicious soups here, all made with paleo ingredients plus optional dairy is what Primal is. Basically paleo with cheese. But I include dairy-free options for you for every single recipe for the people that are dairy sensitive. So you could rename this paleo plus dairy if you would like. Lunches, we have some beautiful salads, lettuce cups, bunless burgers, wraps. And then we have dinners to move on to next. Stir fries, pasta, less pasta, chicken and veggies. Stews, and then here's some snacks like a microwave mug bread that's really delicious that I eat all the time in my house. Bean-free hummus, parfait without grains, nuts and eggs, homemade chips with guacamole. Then you're going to get some delicious desserts like these cinnamon apples, no-cook fudge, matcha ice cream, and these beautiful cheesecake bites. I'm hungry again. You have a simple version of the cover right here if you prefer to use it as is. And this can help you make your own mock-ups. And then you have a simple version of the recipes right here. So you can easily copy and paste these once you open it up in a Word document. You can copy and paste this into a social media post. You can use AI to give you a little blog post to go with this, or a simple social media post, add some tags, and then you have something to help draw people to your social media and ask them, put in a call to action, get them to follow you or sign up for your newsletter for your free recipe bundles that you have already. So there's a lot of ways that you can use these recipes to help boost your business and just make it simpler. So that way you don't have to spend all the hours in the kitchen. So that way you have delicious recipes to deliver to your clients. I hope that you and your audience enjoyed these delicious recipes and this amazing content to help them live a more primal lifestyle that helps lower their inflammation, balances their weight, helps promote healthy hormones, and all those wonderful things that eating a species appropriate diet can help with the human body and the mind and overall happiness. If you have any questions at all, please send me a message or leave a comment. I'd be happy to help. If you'd like a tour of any of the content, I'd be happy to book a call with you as well if you'd like to dig in a little bit deeper before you invest, because I want to make sure that you're happy with the content, because I love creating it and I want to make sure that it's the best fit for you and your business. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. To true health and happiness. Bye now.